Hey guys, this is a video on how to replace the batteries on a LX1500 GU. It's the CyberPower battery backup unit. I purchased this in August of 2018 and this is now November 2019. CyberPower has a 5-year warranty on their units, which is one of the reasons I went with them. And I've got 2 or 3 of these units. They've been really good. But probably about a couple months ago, I started noticing issues. So this particular one was running my Synology server, my NAS server, and then also a couple of computers in my office. And what was happening was the power was going out, the unit was shutting down and not coming back on. I reached out to CyberPower, and I'm going to say it was probably within about a week. They responded back, needed some information. They needed the copy of the receipt where I purchased it from. They needed to know model number, serial number, personal information like my address and that kind of thing. And they have sent me some new batteries, which I've just opened the main box, but I haven't opened the battery boxes yet. So let's go ahead and take a look at these. We'll see if we can replace these today. So yeah, I was very happy with their service. It did, like I said, it took about a week for them to respond, which in today's age, it's kind of a long time really to get a response back, but considering I'm not having to pay for these new batteries, it's okay with me. I've never replaced batteries in a battery backup before, so this is all new. So here's one battery, 12 volt, 9 amp hour. Okay, so there's one battery. But it does make me happy knowing that I have a 5-year warranty on these. It makes me want to go ahead and buy a few additional ones. Living in Florida where we have a lot of lightning and that kind of thing, it's good to have battery backup on as much of your equipment as you possibly can. Double check this one. So this one is also 12 volt, 9 amp hour. Okay, so to get into the battery backup system, you definitely want to make sure that it is not plugged in. That is very important. And this one, it actually has a door that's on the side. So if we lay this over, there are 2 screws. There's one screw here and another screw here. So we need to remove these screws. I don't know if these screws are identical or not. Let's see if they are. Yeah, the screws are the same. Then this should be just a drawer that slides, and it does. Okay, looking at how these batteries are situated in here, this has a little bit of an overhang that comes over the top of the battery on this side, and so it looks like this side will have to come out first, slide this over and replace this one. put it back, then put this one in. So just double checking, part numbers are the same, so we should be good to go. The unit is not plugged in. So let's see if we can lift these out of here. This might be easier to do setting up. Let's try that. Okay. So we'll disconnect this red. Maybe. Maybe. Good Lord, get off of there. Okay. This needs a little persuasion. So the new batteries do not have this plastic cap. So that's one of the old ones there. Make sure these wires do not touch. And you can see that there's red, so the red goes to the red and then the black goes to the yellow, the ground. You can see here where we have to slide this out from behind this edge, which is here. I don't know how important it is to keep these caps on there, but they're not hard to get off, so why not? Okay. So these are our new batteries. So what's interesting is this side is yellow and this side is black this time. So on this side, the yellow went to the black, and then on this side it goes to the positive. Okay. They don't give you much extra wire to work with. But we'll figure it out. We'll make it work somehow. Okay, so there's that side on. Excuse me. Okay. Push that in all the way over to the side. Here we have our other battery. It's like a sticky adhesive right there on the bottom. So what is it, is it a series, I guess is what that's called, how this is wired up, it appears. Just not a lot of wire to work with. It's kind of tight. And I could use a little more lighting. flip that back. Oh, that could be about 2 inches longer. Okay, I got it lined up. Let's see if we can get it on there. Okay, got the yellow one on. The red one, which we now have on. Okay. All right. So I don't know if there's any juice in this or not. Let's push the button and find out. Okay, so I can tell immediately our batteries are working. We're showing a battery capacity where we were at 4 bars, and so everything seems to be working right. So the only thing I need to do at this point is so the only thing I need to do at this point is put the door back on. So it's a really easy process. Kind of a little bit of a challenge to get the wires on. But anyone could do it. And I've done this in maybe 3 minutes, something like that. And our last screw. What I understand, on the older ones, you used to have to take off 2 screws and pull this whole plate, and then the batteries all slid out the front. So this seems to be a much easier process than before. Okay, and that's it. So that's how you replace the batteries on the CyberPower LX1500 GU. Pretty simple. Again, CyberPower, their customer service was great to work with. I had no issues. Communication was really good. Took them about a week, to respond to my warranty claim. And as long as you have your information together, it should be smooth and easy to do. So, all right, thanks for checking out the video, and wish everyone the best. Take care. Bye.